What if I told you that just when we thought the era of big rugged SUVs was drawing to a close, one brand decided to go all in on bringing it back? That's right. While many automakers are rushing towards hybrids and electrics, Nissan is doubling down on the full-size SUV game. And they're doing it in a big way with the 2025 Nissan Armada. But can this bold move redefine what we expect from a large SUV? Let's take a closer look. Picture this: a three-row SUV that doesn't just cater to your need for space, but also packs a punch with raw power and advanced technology. That's what the new Armada is promising. Nissan has reinvented their flagship SUV, giving it more power, a refined interior, and enhanced handling. It's as if they've taken everything that made the Armada a beast on the road and decided to amplify it. Now, here's something that might surprise you. A top Nissan executive recently claimed that the 2025 Armada will outperform even the Toyota Land Cruiser J300, known in the US as the Lexus LX600. That's a bold statement, considering the Land Cruiser's legendary status for luxury, capability, and reliability. So, how does Nissan plan to back up such a claim? Enter the heart of the beast. A turbocharged V6 engine that's set to outshine the previous V8 in both power and performance. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, this engine isn't just about muscle. It's about delivering a smooth, responsive driving experience, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling rugged terrain. And speaking of terrain, the 2025 Armada is gearing up to impress with its off-road capabilities, making it a strong contender for those who need more than just a pretty face on the road. But power isn't everything, right? Today's drivers demand technology, and Nissan isn't about to disappoint. Expect a leap into the future with an infotainment system likely featuring a 12-inch touchscreen, Google-based navigation, and voice controls that actually understand you. Imagine integrating your apps seamlessly while navigating with the confidence that you're getting the most up-to-date information, all from the comfort of a plush, modernized interior. Of course, the 2025 Armada won't have the field to itself. It's stepping into an arena packed with heavy hitters like the Chevrolet Tahoe, Ford Expedition, and Toyota Sequoia. Even within its own family, the Infiniti QX80, its more luxurious cousin, offers stiff competition. But here's where Nissan is playing it smart. By aiming to elevate the Armada to stand toe-to-toe with the likes of the GMC Yukon, Lincoln Navigator, and even the Land Rover Defender 130, they're positioning this SUV as not just another option, but as a formidable choice in the market. So what does this all mean for the Armada? Nissan has high hopes that this next generation will do more than just refresh the lineup. It's a redesign that promises to appeal to those who crave space, power, and capability in one package. The 2025 Armada isn't just about maintaining a legacy. It's about redefining what a full-size SUV can be. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.